Good night, everyone. Today we are not meeting on Zoom, but you will be watching this YouTube video. So we're going to start with Burlington English. Okay, so first watch the video to see what we're doing. So please start on Burlington English. Click into BE login. Okay, remember, okay, I use my name, but all of you have an ID number that are only numbers. And so I'm going to click log in. When I go to login, remember, we go directly into, okay, courses. So tonight we will be starting with courses. So please go to courses. And in courses, remember, we're starting with the purple book, the one that says Burlington Core Low Intermediate. So in low intermediate tonight, when you click enter, you're going to go to student lessons. Please go to student lessons. And, okay, you're going to be doing the following. You will be reading student services. So click on number 3, and you will be starting with number 1 all the way to number 11. So in this lesson, you are going to read about student services on 2 college websites. So once we're done with 1, okay, you're going to go to 2. And in activity number 2, okay, we're going to go ahead and extend it so that you can see it. Let me go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. And so here we have the following information. Our information says, why can't the people in the pictures go to school today? Match the sentences to the pictures. So I want you to look at picture number 1. There's 2 people. There's a woman and there's a child. In picture number 2, we have 3 people. There's a man, okay, and he's holding something. There's a woman in the background, and there's also a man in the background. In picture number 3, we have, okay, a woman, and this woman, okay, is holding something, okay, in both hands. And then the last picture, we have 2 people. And in this case, we have an older gentleman, a man, and another man. So we have 2 total. So let's read the following, and I'm going to number them for you. And then I want you to pause and think, what do you think the correct pictures are? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for picture number 1, she's taking care of her baby. If you want to repeat with me. She's taking care of her baby. 2, she's sick. Repeat with me. She's sick. Number 3, he's helping his father. Repeat with me. He's helping his father. 4, he's working. Repeat with me. He's working. So please pause, and then you decide, okay, where do these sentences go? If you want to write these sentences in your notebook, okay, you can write your sentences in the notebook, but this activity is in Burlington English. So as soon as you're done, okay, you can unpause this. But if you're gonna take a couple minutes, pause this, because right now I'm moving on to the next activity. Again, you can pause this video whenever you want to. So going into activity 3, we go through a couple of words. Remember that you have a couple of lists of vocabulary words. So it says, learn these words, listen, and record yourself. So again, okay, you can put the play button, the triangle.
Assignment.
You can go ahead and hit the microphone and do this. And then if you get this message like what I did, we want to always click allow. Assignment. So now it heard me and it recorded me, and I can listen to myself. Assignment. Okay, we can do the same thing with the next one.
Attend class.
And then do the microphone. Attend class. And if you understood this, I didn't understand you, please try again. It's saying that I did not pronounce this correctly, so I'm going to click on the X and then go back to the microphone. Attend class. And then I can hear myself. Attend class. So if you want to put pause because you want to go through all of this, you're more than welcome to. So you have a couple words here to practice. And then because this is my version, the teacher version, it does not give me a translation. But for some of you, you will be able to see the translation. So again, okay, I'm going to click reset. And if you need to put pause to do activity 3, please put pause. I'm going to go to activity 4, the second vocabulary assignment. And we have a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 7. Not 8, 7. 7 pictures. So we want to make sure that you look at the pictures and complete the sentences about Jamal's day. So here we have a child. Here we have a car, a van. So please read these sentences and decide what numbers are, okay, supposed to, okay, these words: assignment, shuttle, after school program, picked up, dropped off, lecture, and face-to-face lessons. So if you want to pronounce with me, let's go through one. 1, repeat after me, assignment. 2, repeat after me, shuttle. 3, repeat after me, after school program. 4, repeat after me, picked up. 5, repeat after me, dropped off. 6, repeat after me, lecture. 7, repeat after me, face-to-face lessons. So what we're doing here, it says, in the morning, Jamal blink his son at the child care center near the college. Again, okay, if you need to pause. If you need to look for words in a dictionary, please look for these words in a dictionary. I will help you with number 1. And this means in the morning, Jamal dropped off his son at the child care center near the college. So this is what you're doing, and you're going to do that with 6 more, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more vocabulary words. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this. Again, remember that you can pause this or go on, okay, and then do the next activity. For me, okay, please finish. I'm going to go to number 5. Once you're ready, please put play so that you can see activity number 5. In activity number 5, it tells you the following. Choose the correct answers. Number 1, you want to read all of this, and then you have option A, always, and option B, never. So all of these have option A, B, A, B, A, B, all the way to number 10. We'll do the first 2 so that you can notice what to do. But number 1, we want to read first. Students who attend class, always or never, come to school. So if you need to think a little bit, that's fine. If you need to translate, that is fine. Again, question or sentence number 1 says, students who attend class always or / never come to school. and I said I was gonna help you. This one is gonna be always. Students who attend class always come to school. We'll do number 2. If you are eligible for subsidized childcare, comma, you will or won't have to pay a lot of money for it. If you do not understand the word subsidized, and the word subsidized is this, please look in a dictionary. Okay, here, if you are eligible for subsidized, meaning are you eligible for help, for assistance? Okay, the answer here for sentence number 2 would be you won't have to pay a lot of money for it. You will do the same thing for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and again, you have to pause this video because I want you to work through the questions, through the sentences. Okay, now we're going to be closing this activity. Remember, pause. We're going to go into read. So in reading, you have information about Newton College. There's childcare, subsidized childcare, blended programs. And then you have Susan and Pedro, okay, Pedro, who have given us information. Okay, if you think this is a little bit difficult, it is a little bit more challenging. Okay, but remember, you have the play button. So you have to click play like this.
Newton College. Going to college when you're a parent is hard. Have you ever missed class because you don't have a babysitter for your children? At Newton College, we have a solution. We offer childcare on campus. You can drop off your children in the morning and pick them up at the end of the day. We have groups for children ages 6 weeks to 6 years. On March 1st, we're opening an after-school program for children ages 7 to 12. You may be eligible for subsidized childcare. Newton also offers blended programs. In a blended program, you watch most lessons online and come to the campus once a week for face-to-face lessons. You can do all your reading and assignments on your computer at home. Our programs have helped hundreds of students graduate from Newton.
I'm a working mom. With Newton's blended program, I can study at home when my children are sleeping. Suzanne.
My son is 3 years old. Thanks to Newton's childcare program, I've never missed school. I'm graduating this summer. Pedro.
Okay, and I'm sorry, I forgot to scroll down, but Susan said, I'm a working mom with Newton's blended program. I can study at home when my children are sleeping. And then Pedro, my son is 3 years old, thanks to Newton's childcare program. I've never missed school. I'm graduating this summer. So once you're done, we're gonna close this, we're gonna minimize. And then we have 2 questions. So the first one says, how does Newton College help students stay in school? So here we have information that we just read, that we just saw, and you have to choose the correct 3. Same with question 2. Which of the following sentences are true? Let me know, okay? And then you can always check your answers. So say, for example, I'm gonna do A, B, C, and I wanna check, I'm gonna put okay. And it's gonna say, nope, you're wrong because you didn't do the first part. And then nope, these are wrong. Okay, so again, okay, make sure that you understand that. Once you're ready, okay, we have a second reading activity. Once you're ready, you have, okay, to compare Newton College and Deerfield Technical School. And then, okay, number 9, you're gonna be choosing the correct answers. And then lastly, you have vocabulary focus. We're practicing more vocabulary. Just like what we did with activity number 3, now in 10, we put play.
drop,
You record yourself, drop, and then you get to listen to yourself. Drop, and then here, okay, we have a couple of vocabulary words that we get to practice. So please tonight work on Burlington Core. Number 3, read student services. Please work on this. I will be checking to see your progress. So I will stop sharing this and this video will be posted online.